Assalamu alaikum. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel. This is Shabir Hussain Bhatti and our today's topic is what is difference between absolute and relative references. It is very important to know as a student of spreadsheet, either it is Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet, to know about absolute cell references and relative cell references. Let us see what is the difference. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press bell icon, share this video with your friends and family members. The first one is relative references. The default reference used in Microsoft Excel or Google spreadsheet is relative reference, which means when we will copy or drag the formula, the row or column will be changed accordingly. So when I copy the formula from one row to another row, the row number will change, and at the same time if I will copy the formula from one column to another column, the column name will also change. For example, if there is a formula A1 is equal to A1 plus B1 and I need to copy the formula to the next row from row number 1 to row number 2, the formula will automatically change. Like it will become A2 plus B2. So you can see here the example. The time I'm copying the formula is copied from left to right, the column is changing, and when we are copying the formula from up to bottom, the row number is changing. So the same example I expanded in the next slide. So this is the way we are copying the formula in Excel using relative references. When we will drag or we will copy the formula from A1 to A2, A3, so it will automatically change from up to bottom as row number, as a row wise. When I copy the formula from left to right, which means the column is changing, but the row number is fixed. It's not changing because the row is row number 1. So here the column is A. When I will copy the formula from A1 to A2, so it will change accordingly, and when I copy the formula from one column to another column, definitely the column will change accordingly. Now if I need to fix the cell, I don't need to change, I need to fix the cell. When I need to fix either it is a column or row, the absolute references will be used. So in absolute references we will fix the references either for column or for rows. Dollar sign is used to fix the column or row. If I will fix if I will keep the dollar sign before column name, the column will be fixed, and if I will keep the dollar sign before row number, the row number will be fixed. So the trick is, if the dollar sign is before column, the column is fixed, it will not be changed, and if the dollar sign is before row number, the row number will be fixed, it will not be changed. Either we are copying from column to column or row to row to another row. Let us see the same example. Yes, here I need to add one more thing, which is the short key to fix the references. F4 key is used to fix a column. When I will press the F4 key first time, it will fix row and column both. Second time pressing the key will change from both to row only. Third time pressing the key will change the references to column only, and if I will keep pressing up to the 4th time, the absolute references will convert to the normal relative references. So the first time row and column fixed, second time row will be only the row will be fixed, and the third time only column will be the fixed, and fourth time no column no row fixed. Same example here, if you see or observe, the column is fixed. So for the column fix, in the example of column fixing the column, when I am copying the formula in the row number are changing. You can see the row numbers are changing from 1 to 2 to 3 and up to 7. And when I'm copying the formula from column to another column, the column number is not changing because the dollar sign is before the column name. Same here for to fix a row number. If I will fix the dollar sign before row number, what will happen? The row number will not change. When I copy the formula from row to 1 to another row, the row number will be same. And if I will copy the formula from column to another column, the column number will change. Now in the third example, the row and column both are changed or fixed. So A1 will become $A$1, means A before $8 column is fixed, before $1 the row number is fixed. So here wherever I will copy the formula either in row wise or column wise, the formula will not change. So here an example, just if I will keep the dollar sign before A and before 1, it will fix row as well as column. If it is before 1 is representing to the row number, it means the row is fixed, and if the dollar sign is before A, which means A is a column name, it means the column is fixed. This is just a wrap up summary. Yes, this is now practice time. Let's go back to our spreadsheet where I already create one spreadsheet for you just to have the formula practice. Okay, so I purposely name the here the first row is A1, the second is A2, a third is A3, the same way B1, B2, B3. So in the relative references I will keep is equal to A1, and then I will copy the formula to change the row. You can see the row number is changing, and when I will copying the formula from left to right, which means column, the column is also changing. So this is an example of absolute reference where the formula is changing from column to column and row to row as well. Absolute references, fixed row and column is equal to A1. I am pressing F4 key. It is fixing both column and row. Pressing second time will fix the row. Pressing third time will fix the column only. Pressing fourth time, it is now a relative reference. Okay, I need to fix column and row. Okay, and now if I will copy the formula from left to right or from right to left, means column wise or row wise, it's not changing. Okay, because wherever you will just press, it is A1. Okay, so the second example is to absolute reference row fix. So is equal to fix a row, what I will do, $1. Now I keep the dollar sign before 1, which means row, and this is, you can see, row is fixed and the column is changing. In the same way we can do for the column fixing. Absolute reference is equal to A1. I will keep the dollar sign before A, and that's it. Now Column will remain the same. You can see the row number is changing, but the column is fixed. Column is not changing as the row number is changing. Hope you learn from this video. Let us go back to our presentation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please hit the like button if you really like this video. Share it with your friend and family member. If you really learn something from this video, send me your feedback. I will review and I will give you my feedback accordingly. Inshallah. Thank you very much.